Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we are talking about efficiency versus effectiveness. So what is efficiency? Efficiency is doing things right. Alright? This is about how you perform your work duties, how you do things. Okay? In this sense, we are talking about that there is less wastage and the work done is good and very nice and within the requirements. Alright? So that work would be efficient. Next thing comes effectiveness. Effectiveness is doing the right things. Alright, so what does that mean? Basically, the things that you are doing should be the things that you should be doing. Confusing, I get it. Let's say you have exam tomorrow and you are reading a fiction book. You might be telling people, I was reading a book. But were you reading the book that was required for you to do so? No. However, you might be efficient in reading and you might have finished the whole book within one day, which is that you were efficient but you were not effective because you were not doing the thing that was to be done at that moment. You had exam the other day, so you should be studying your textbook and notes and stuff, not fiction books. Stop taking inspiration from me. Stop taking inspiration from me, like I always do that. I read fictions during my exams, after my exams, before my exams. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. There is a guidebook. It will be linked in the description box. Do consider getting it. I have worked really hard for it and it will be worth it. Trust me. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.